Okay folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Boy, this is a beauty. Holy cow. 300, Chrysler 300. Old school style. This is a nicely done car. It's a 57. 392 dual quad Hemi V8. Only one of 1767 hardtop coupes produced. Torque Flight 3-speed. Now these old Torque Flights were cast iron and they weren't the same as your modern Torque Flights. What's different? I recently sold one to a guy down in South Carolina, and he was looking a period correct for a 57, 58 that he was working on. Love these tail fins, the tail lights, the back end of this car. Simple but elegant at the same time. That beautiful 300 badge on the quarter panel. Let's look at the interior. Oh my goodness, look how they did the rearview mirror. See how it's mounted on the dash, down low. And this appears to be an air-conditioned car, is that right? What is that under the dash there? Did it say it's air conditioned? Nope. It don't say anything about air conditioning up there, so chrome work is really well done. Dual sport mirrors. Would that be correct? Dual sport mirrors. Look at the chrome across the front at the cowl. I've got a set of wiper blades for one of these. I think they fit many different cars, big full-size Chryslers for years. Anybody needs any. This thing here was a, oh my goodness, look at the parking lot. Look at that, won't you? 300 Club. 52,000 seems like a bargain for this car. What do you think, guys? I've seen them go for more than that. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video. We're gonna bring you many more today. All right, Bob out.